Once the SD card is plugged into the computer via the adapter into the USB port, this will come up on the screen. You then click Open Folder to view files, and then it'll go up to the JPlayer exe. You click on that. It'll ask if you want to make changes to the computer. Click on yes. And then the screen will pop up with the information on it. The player screen will pop up. At that point, you go down to the date time that you like to see that was recorded. So we're going to go to G310, and I'm going to click on that, and then it'll show exactly what was happening at that place and time with the car safety cam. As you can see, there's two screens. This is the screen that shows the driver compartment with sound, so whatever was said or done in the driver's compartment will be recorded, and then it goes on to record what goes on the road as well. Besides that, there's also G sensors, which tell you how fast, not how fast you're going, but how much braking, how much lateral acceleration and turning acceleration and braking forces there are. So there's X, Y, and Z. And then it also shows you the speed you were going. Right now the car stopped at a light, so obviously there's no speed. It shows you the direction you're heading and the geographical position you're in. And then if you go over to the other screen there, you can also pop in to the screen there what you'd like to see. If you like to see just one view, you can have one view. And if you like to have one view of the outside of the actual road, you can have a view of that. Or if you like both, you can have both. You can also have a full-size screen, the size of your computer screen, so you can see absolutely everything going on very clearly. And then you go back to the regular two screen channel. At the same time, you can see on Google Earth exactly where you were. So here we're going up St. John's Road. We're near to Salaberry Boulevard, and we're approaching a stoplight. You can see the traffic signs on the right hand side. You can see the cars in front of you. You can see the traffic behind you. You can see pretty much everything you'd want to see. Especially interesting is the X, Y, Z, Z G sensor, which will also tell you how smooth a driver you are, how good your braking is, how good your turning is. If there's ever a unintended acceleration force, such as an accident or a really bad bump, the computer G sensor will lock in the incident so that you can replay it and not lose it. Such as an accident, something along those lines can be recorded, so there's proof of exactly what was happening at the time you were involved in the incident. So here we have it. It's a great working piece of equipment. Very practical and very useful.